welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the months in German. Die Monate oder der Monat. Der Monat, the month. Der Monat, the month. Oder or die Monate, months, like in the plural form. Die Monate. Okay, so let's get started. Januar. Januar. Also, there's a little request. Please try to repeat the words after me. It'll be very easy for you then. Januar. Februar. Februar. März. March. April. 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 If you'll see, the spelling for April and April is similar, but the pronunciation is different. April. April. Mai. May. Mai. Mai. Juni. Juni. Ich habe im Juni Geburtstag. Juni. Juli. Juli. Do remember that in German we pronounce J as Y. So it's not Juni, it'll be Juni and then Juli. Juli. July. August. 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 September. September. Again, the spellings are same as in English. September. October. November. November. November is similar how we say in English. November. December. 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 Okay, so I guess it was easy. Let's just do a revision. Januar. Februar. März. April. Mai. Mai. Juni. Juni. Juli. Juli. August. 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 September. September. October. October. November. November. December. December. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram channel. Till then, cheers!